There we go. That's the reason why there's a crack appearing on the outside. So I can fit my finger in there and it's rather large. At the bottom, it's brickwork's touching the house, and at the top it's properly come away. So issues all the way. Then also you can see where the damp is coming through all the way. So repointing the inside and outside of this porch, and also repairing with some helical bars in here into the mortar joints, and we're going to be quite a few in here, to be fair, just to give it a little bit longer. Customer knows that this is not a permanent long-term fix. Customer wants something short-term, give it some longer life and give them a bit of peace of mind for now. So we're going to use this stitch-in polyester anchor resin and these helical bars. I'm going to create a U shape to go into the wall, along that wall, and then back up this wall a little bit. And we're going to put quite a few of these in to try and keep this wall from spreading. So with these helical bars, you're supposed to bury them about 30mm into the existing brickwork. And so I've bent one here. As you can see, it goes into this brick and it goes all the way along here, and then it comes back inside here as well. So that's nice and deep. I need to resin first, bury that back in, and then resin over the top of that, and then I'll finish off tomorrow by repointing it. Well, there we go. We've raked out all the old mortar on this wall where it was damp. Damp had come through from the other side. And on this wall, we've put the helical bars in to stitch the existing building to this sort of wonky porch. So yeah, that's done so far. Next thing, got to prep it all. So I need to brush it all out. I need to wet it up, and then I'm ready for repointing. So there we are. That's that repair done. Everything's been jointed up. So all patched back in. Nice and neat, but stained the bricks obviously. I wasn't too worried about the bricks because this is all going to get washed down and then repainted anyway. So pretty happy with the results. Everything's solid. It's a decent repair. And there we are. That's the outside done as well. Beautiful.